idea for wow! Today I'm going to make a erupting volcano. Just like this. These things are what you need to make a erupting volcano. You need a plastic bottle, paint, scissors, liquid dishwasher, masking tape, baking soda, brush, bread for coloring, vinegar, flour, water, paper. You cut it. Become just like this. Start now. I'm going to use masking tape and tap into the bottle just like this. Right now we make a glue paste. We pour flour and the water. It's a bit hard to stir, just like the making of oobleck. My third video was about oobleck. Going to make paper wrap. I'm going to make my own stick glue and then slide it. Put it on the masking tape. After done, leave it overnight. This is how it looks the next day. It's already dry, but it now looks like volcano yet. We need to paint it. We paint using this color. To make red lava, to put red food coloring into the vinegar. Going to pour baking soda into the volcano, just like this. With dishwasher. Just pull a little bit only. You ready for erupting volcano? Let's start now. 3, 2, 1, go! Enjoy. Subscribe for channel, click the button, you want it forward again. Bye.